Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So in previous video, you have learned the summary of this chapter. Now in today's video, I'll explain some paragraph. So look into your book, paragraph number 1. Every year, on the occasion of Eid, there was a fair in our village. Eid was celebrated only one day, but the fair lasted many days. Tradesmen from far and wide came there with all kinds of goods to sell. You could buy anything from a small pin to a big buffalo. So as I told you in the summary that the name of this chapter, A Game of Chance, it speaks about the futility of lucky charms or the bumper lotteries and so on. This chapter shows an interesting manner that how the feelings and emotion of innocent people are played with, and how such kind of shopkeeper tricked people. So actually what happens, there used to be a fair held every year in Rashid's village on the occasion of Eid, and that fair continued over many days after Eid festival. So it was a good chance for the shopkeepers to sell their goods. So many shopkeepers used to come in that fair from distant places and arrange their shops to sell their goods. That fair had everything from small to big ones. It means there was variety of everything in that fair. You could buy everything, either big things or small, such as small pen, buffaloes, etc. In short, you can say a very big fair was held in Rashid's village, and everything was sold in that village, and you could buy everything easily in that fair. Now come to the next paragraph. Uncle took me to the fair. Bhaiya, who worked for us at home, came with us. There was a big crowd at the fair. Uncle was leading us through the crowd when he met a few of his friends. They wanted him to spend some time with them. So Rashid also wanted to visit that fair, but he was a little young, so his uncle took him to the fair, and his servant was also with them, whom Rashid called Bhaiya. It means his uncle's servant, whom Rashid called Bhaiya. So there was a big rush in the fair, so his uncle was leading them in the fair. And on the way, when they were walking in the fair, his uncle met some of his friends. So he wanted to spend some time with his friends. Then what happened? Look into next paragraph. Uncle asked me whether I would like to look around the fair with Bhaiya till he came back. I was happy to do that. Uncle warned me neither to buy anything nor to go too far out while he was away. I promised that I would wait for him. So as I told you in the second paragraph that when his uncle was walking in the fair, then on the way he met some of his friends and he wanted to be with them for some time. So his uncle said to Rashid, you can visit the fair with your Bhaiya if you would like to. It means his uncle wanted to say that I want to go alone with my friends, and you can visit the fair with your Bhaiya if you want. So Rashid was very happy and agreed to visit the fair with his Bhaiya. But before going, his uncle instructed him not to buy anything from the fair, nor to go too far, because Rashid was a little young and innocent child. He might be lost in the fair or anyone can trapped and tricked him. That's why his uncle told him not to buy anything from the fair and nor go too far. So Rashid promised that he will follow his instruction and will not buy anything from the fair and not go too far in the fair. Instead, he would wait for his uncle to come back if he wanted to buy anything or something else. Then his uncle went his friends. It means, after warning Rashid from every kind of dangerous in the fair, he left Rashid and his bhaiya alone and went his friend to spend some time. So, how did Rashid visit the fair in the absence of his uncle? Did he do anything in the fair? To know about it, we will learn in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.